Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the second problem in exercise 2.4. Okay, the problem is use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of f of x in each of the following cases. Here total 5 problems are there. So in each case we have to check if g of x is a factor to f of x or not. Basing on which theorem? Factor theorem. Okay, let us see. What is factor theorem? If x minus a is a factor to p of x, then p of a equals to 0. This is the factor theorem. Okay, so here first f of x is equal to 5x cube plus x square minus 5x minus 1, and g of x is equal to x plus 1. Now we have to check whether this g of x is a factor to f of x or not. So first take g of x and equals to 0. Then what is the value of x plus, if plus transposes to RHS, that will be minus 1. So x value minus 1. So now substitute in f of x. Now f of minus 1, 5 into minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 1. So minus whole power odd number is minus 1 only, plus minus 1 whole power even number plus 1. Okay, minus into minus plus, 5 ones are 5 plus 1. Okay, now you see 5 into minus 1 minus 5, plus into plus plus 1, and here plus 5. Sorry, this is minus 1. Okay, minus 1 and minus 1. This is also minus 1. Now you see minus 5 plus 5 plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So the final answer is 0. F of minus 1 is equal to 0. So the remainder is 0. So what we have to write? G of x is a polynomial to, G of x is a factor to f of x, or a factor of f of x. That's it. Okay, the first one completed, and in the second one, in this second problem, here this is the problem. So first take g of x is equal to x plus 1 and equals to 0. Now when plus comes to RHS, it will be minus 1. Right. So now we have to substitute minus 1 in f of x. So f of minus 1, minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 whole power odd number will be minus 1. Minus whole power even number will be plus 1. Plus into minus, minus 3 plus 1. See, this minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. Plus into plus, plus 3 minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 also cancel, and we get 0. Okay. Here cancel means 3 minus 3 1, 3 minus 3 0. Okay, and 1 minus 1 0. So that's why we are cancelling. So here what is the value of f of minus 1? 0. The remainder is 0. So therefore g of x is a factor of f of x. Okay. Now the third one. So first of all we have to take g of x and equal to 0. Okay. So then x value will be 2. So now we have to substitute 2 in the place of x. F of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square plus 2 plus 6. So 2 cube means we have to multiply 2 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Minus 4, 2 square means only 2 times. 2 2s are 4. Plus 2 plus 6, 8. Now this 8 plus 8, 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 16, 0. Right? F of 2 equals to 0. So therefore g of x is a factor of f of x. Okay. So the fourth problem. So first take g of x and equals to 0. Then 3x is equal to minus, if we transpose to RHS it will be plus 2. 3x means 3 into x. So if we transpose this 3 it will comes under division. So x value will be plus 2 by 3. Right. Now in the place of x we have to write 2 by 3. F of 2 by 3 is equal to first 3 into 2 by 3 whole cube plus 2 by 3 whole square minus 20 into 2 by 3 plus 12. Okay. So 2 by 3 whole cube is equal to 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. And next we have 2 by 3 whole square. So 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now simply substitute these values. 3 into 8 by 27 plus 4 by 9 minus 22s are 40 by 3 plus 12. Next here 3 ones, 3 nines. So the remaining will be 8 by 9 plus 4 by 9 minus 40 by 3 plus 12. If we take the LCM it will be 9. So 8 plus 4 and 3 divides 9 3 times. 3 into 40 plus here only 1. So plus 9 into 12. Okay. So now 8 plus 4, 12. 3 4s are 12. So 3 40s are 120 plus 12 9s are 108 by 9. So if we add 12 and 108 it will be 120 minus 120 by 9. 120 minus 120 is 0. 0 by 9 equals to 0. So that means what we have substituted here? 2 by 3. Right. So f of 2 by 3 equals to 0. So therefore g of x is a factor of f of x. That's it. Okay. And now the last one. Take g of x that is 2x plus 3 and equals to 0. If plus 3 is transposes to RHS, it will be minus 3 and x equals to minus 3 by 2. So now we have to calculate f of minus 3 by 2. So write minus 3 by 2 in the place of x. Okay, this is very simple. Actually, you have to write just the value wherever x you see, plus 18. Okay, so now minus whole power odd number will be minus, minus whole power even number will be plus. Now we will see 3 by 2 whole cube means 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Similarly 3 by 2 whole square, 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4. So now write f of minus 3 by 2 is equal to 4 into minus whole power odd number will be minus only 27 by 8 plus 20 minus whole power even number will be plus 3 by 2 whole square means 9 by 4. Here 33 3s are 99 plus into minus minus plus 18. So here you see 4 ones and 4 twos. Here also you can cancel 4 ones and 4 fives. So the remaining will be minus 27 by 2 plus 5 nines are 45 minus 99 by 2 plus 18. So here the LCM will be 2 minus 27 plus 1 into 2, 2 only na, so 1 divides 2 2 times, so 2 into 45 minus 99 plus, here 1 is there, the denominator, 1 into 2 2, 2 into 8 minus 27, 45 2s are 90 minus 99 plus 18 2s are 36 by 2. Now add all positive numbers. 90 plus 36, that is 126, and 99 minus 27, this is also 126 minus 126. So 126 minus 126, 0 by 2, that will be 0. So f of minus 3 by 2 value is 0. So what we have to write? So therefore g of x is a factor of f of x. That's it. So in this way, very easily you can solve these problems by using factor theorem. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, and please like this video. Thank you for watching.